Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ching, and today I'm taking you to an old school award-winning Chinese restaurant here at the Gold Coast Casino. This is Ping Pang Pong. It can get very busy in here and chaotic depending on the hour that you come. And the tables are a little near each other, but it's actually very nice in here. Look at the ceiling. Gorgeous. And if you come at the right hour, you're gonna see a bunch of dim sum carts rolling around, just like this one. What do you have here? Pork bun. Tofu? Okay.
Ginger fried.
Okay. There's so many choices, you guys. How about the shumai? Can I see the tofu one? Let me see what the tofu one looks like. Okay, let's have one of those. So let's try their dim sum first. It's really kind of exciting because there's a bunch of ladies pushing around the dim sum cart, and you never know what's going to be on it, so it's like a fun surprise. So I started with a really basic dim sum, which is the pork shumai. This comes in 4 pieces, and they also give you like some chili sauce, so we're gonna put it right in there. So Ping Pang Pong is known for their dim sum, so it's only available from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily. So after 3 p.m., you're not going to get the dim sum experience. But on the downside, it's very busy during these times, so it can get a little chaotic in here. All right. Their dim sum is really good. Comes to you steaming hot. So you might think that on those carts they only have like shumai type of stuff or pork buns, but no. Look what I got off of the cart. It's shrimp with some garlic bits on top. Look how great that looks, you guys. These are big pieces of shrimp, you guys. Check that out. That's really good. There's like garlic on the outside. Nice big pieces of shrimp. Really flavorful. The only thing I don't like is there's a little bit of skin on it. So you gotta kind of either eat it, which I don't, or just bite through it and take it out of your mouth. And I have to tell you the experience here. When you're sitting here, the carts are going around, so you almost want to keep getting something new. So you got to watch yourself. You could probably end up with 12 different little plates and a really big bill. But all right, let's try this tofu. So you got to kind of decide what you want to eat or what looks good. But the thing is, everything looks good. I really like this tofu one a lot. It's sitting in a little sauce. And the tofu is like a little bit crunchy on the outside, but soft on the inside. And in the middle, there's like shrimp in here. One of the best things about Ping Pang Pong is that it has late night hours. So it opens at 10 a.m. Dim sum runs until 3 p.m. and it's open until 3 a.m. So technically, you could just keep ordering from those carts and have a dim sum experience and a whole dim sum meal and be really full. But I decided to get a couple dishes for you guys. This is the yan fried rice. So this has pork, it has some shrimp, and of course scallions. So let's try a bit of that. I also got the beef and broccoli. It's something my mom, I'm having lunch with my mom, wanted. So there, of course, they give the option of having Chinese broccoli or regular American broccoli. So we opted for the Chinese broccoli. Let's try the beef from the beef and broccoli. Really tender, you guys. I'm just gonna try to bring it up close. Tender looking, but let's see how it tastes. That beef is so tender. It looks tender, so I'd be surprised if it wasn't, but it really is. Chinese broccoli. The Chinese broccoli looked like it would be kind of steamed and soft, but no, there is a crunch to the stem, and the leafy part is soft, so that's really good. I actually enjoy that crunch, and the vegetables are lightly flavored and seasoned as well. Very good, beef with broccoli. All right, let's try the yan chow fried rice. I'm actually gonna take a big piece of the shrimp because it is rather large. Very flavorful. Very hearty. Really good. Okay. You actually have to have a noodle soup when you're in a Chinese restaurant. Well, I always feel you have to. So this one is just a beef, they call it a beef tender noodle soup. So there are slices of beef with a little bok choy and noodles. Let's try it. This is authentic Cantonese food. It's just authentic Chinese. You're not gonna get it any better. It's so good in here. It tastes legit too. This is apparently the sweet cart. Do you have anything sweet?
Tofu.
Tofu.
You want the custard?
Oh, custard. Okay, what else?
This is custard here. Custard, rice cake is good.
Rice cake or custard?
Yes.
Do you have buchi? Okay, I needed something sweet to finish off that meal, so I got these buchi balls, which are sesame balls with some sweet stuff inside. Let's try it. All right, I'm gonna break open this buchi or sesame ball for you so you can see what's inside. It's supposed to be a little bit crispy on the outside and nice and soft and chewy on the inside. And as I broke that open, I could already tell it was nice and crispy. Nice and crunchy on the outside, tastes so fresh, nice, soft and chewy on the inside. It's perfect. Oh God. Ping Pang Pong has been around for at least 20 years. This is like, back in the day it was a hidden gem, but now it's a Chinese institution. It is award-winning. America, I'm gonna say the best 10 Asian restaurants in America by Travel and Leisure, voted multiple times in Best of Las Vegas, and there's a reason for it. So the food is so authentic. Even the people, they're all Chinese, so it adds to its legitimacy. But the only thing is, it gets a little chaotic, so it's not like everyone is super friendly and super warm in here all the time. It's actually like being in China, where it's kind of really busy and people are kind of transactional. So it's not always warm. Sometimes you get somebody who's warm and fuzzy, but typically every time I've been in here, they're not overly friendly. Maybe it's the culture, but they're not rude either. So just expect that. So if you're wondering how much each of these items cost, so our total bill was $105.56 with all the dim sum, the soup, the couple of dishes, the fried rice, and the little dessert dim sum. So here are my final thoughts. You really can't go wrong if you're looking for authentic Cantonese style Chinese food. It is as legit as they come. The food is always really, really good. The last time I was here was like a few years ago. It's still very, very good. The place is beautiful. The only downfall is this is not a quiet restaurant. It's a little chaotic. There's a lot of people in here. Always a lot of people in here. People are talking, but the whole Dimsum Cart experience is so much fun. This is Ping Pang Pong at the Gold Coast Casino. I highly recommend it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye.